What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. If you're new, what's up? My name is TheShai. Welcome to the channel. So today we're gonna be doing kind of like a 2-in-1 get ready with me. I'm gonna be doing a start to finish a wig install with this unit from LUVMEHAIR, and then I will also be doing some fresh, easy, soft glam. So as far as the hair, the deets, it is a 13x4 lace frontal wig, 180% density, and it is 22 inches, and it is in the body wave texture. It has to be one of my favorite installs I've done in a second. I feel like I'm getting better. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this complete glam, complete look, then keep watching.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like I'm riding.
Okay guys, so I just threw on the wig just to see how it fits, what I need to do. These are the natural curls. I absolutely love them. They're very bouncy, effortless, and just super pretty. I am going to customize this wig a little bit more, so I am going to bleach the knots.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like I'm riding with you till the night is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're waking up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Like if I said I didn't miss your touch, I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you know the truth. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something? My body's good. With you headed in a place on that. Take you there. I'll show you something, give you more than words. With you headed in a place on that. Take you Think twice, cause you got a long way to go. Don't know how to act. back. It's like that, 'cause you got a long way to go. Not that deep, take it easy. You wanna please me, got a long way to go. I'm a bad girl, you wanna get close. Ease up, 'cause you got a long way to go. Wanna love me, wanna touch me. Think twice, 'cause you got a long way to go. Don't know how to act, better fall back. It's like that, 'cause you got a long way to go. Not that deep, take it easy. You wanna please me, got a long way to go. Yeah, said you got a long way to go. Rock with me now.
So yeah guys, this is the finished look. Once I've styled the hair, I put a few bone curls in it just to kind of get it to look a little bit more popping and have like that loose wavy texture that we got when we got the wig out of the package. I really love the length and how it drops, and just generally like the natural, just effortless wave that it has. Just to quickly wrap up the deets on this hair, I have a 13x4 lace frontal wig. It is not HD lace, but it is a really good quality, very thin, easy to melt. Honestly, the trick to getting a really good install is having a really thin lace, and this wig definitely has that. It's 22 inches and it's in the body wave texture. So yeah, absolutely love this install. I can't wait to keep playing about with it and seeing what I can get. I actually really like the length. It is 22 inches. In terms of density, it's 180. I think it's a really nice density. It does have a thickness to it, but it's not like too full or too heavy, and I have quite a small face and just generally a small head, so I have to be careful with density. And this feels really good, and it also has a nice body to it, to where I feel like I don't need to add any bundles. Like, it's literally perfect as it is. So yeah, I guess that wraps it in today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give me a nice thumbs up, subscribe, make sure notifications are on for my channel, and I will see you guys in my next one.